I'm Mamta and you are welcome to my channel Hindi Learning Made Easy. We are learning to write and pronounce Hindi alphabet. We have already learned to write and pronounce Hindi vowels. Vowels are Hindi swar. Now we will learn Hindi consonants. In Hindi, consonants are called Vyanjan. Vyanjan. This lesson is just the introduction and it will give you overall view of Hindi consonants. I mean Hindi Vyanjan. To make you remember, now onwards I will be using term Vyanjan instead of consonants. There are 36 Hindi Vyanjan organized in 8 groups. First 5 groups have 5 members in each group. Next 2 groups have 4 members in each group and the last group has only 3 members. Let us now see why and how they are divided into such groups. 2 important points about Hindi Vyanjan pronunciation. The first point, while pronouncing Hindi Vyanjan, tongue inside the mouth moves between different parts of the mouth and create different sound. Grouping of Vyanjan is mainly based on their pronunciation. Second important point is what is aspirated and unaspirated consonant. That means while pronouncing aspirated Vyanjan or consonants, the air comes out of your mouth. On the other hand, while pronouncing unaspirated Vyanjan, the air is stopped inside the mouth. So you will see many Hindi Vyanjan exist in pairs where both Vyanjan are sounding same but one is aspirated and the other is unaspirated. We will learn these 2 points with diagram in detail. Here, the diagram of the mouth shows 5 parts of the mouth which are used to pronounce Hindi consonants. These 5 parts are shown with 5 color dots inside the mouth. Let us take the first part of the mouth shown in red color, which is used to pronounce all 5 Vyanjans of the first group. Let us take the first part of the mouth shown in red color. This part is called soft palate. This is fleshy region at the very back of the mouth. This soft palate is used in pronouncing all 5 Vyanjan of the first group. Second part of the mouth is shown in orange color, which is used in pronouncing all 5 Vyanjan of the second group. This part is called hard palate. This is actually the bony region at the top of the mouth. Third part is shown in yellow color and it is used to pronounce all the members of the third group. This part is called teeth ridge. This is the area behind the bumps behind the teeth. That means you have teeth. Behind your teeth there are bumps and the area behind the bumps is used to pronounce third group Vyanjan. Fourth part is shown in green color. It is the base of the teeth which is used to pronounce fourth group Vyanjan. Fifth part of the mouth is lips and it is used to pronounce fifth group Vyanjan. This is shown in blue color. So while pronouncing these consonants, you will observe that your tongue moves between these parts of your mouth. It will be very helpful while pronouncing the consonants correctly. Now look at the consonant chart in 3 parts, colored as red, green and blue. The first part in red color shows many pairs. Each red box is one pair, where one consonant is aspirated and the other one is unaspirated. Both the consonants sound same. Second part is shown in green color. These are nasal consonants. Means when you pronounce these vyanjan or consonant, the air passes through your nose. The third part is shown in blue color, which is conjunct consonants, which are result of combining two consonants. We will learn all this in detail in coming lessons. Also, there are two additional vyanjan which are not mentioned in the chart. Some people may find these vyanjan very difficult to pronounce, but be patient. I will try to make it simple for you in a separate lesson. Let us summarize. Point number 1. There are 36 vyanjan organized in 8 groups plus 2 additional vyanjan. Point number 2. Vyanjan in first 5 groups are pronounced using different parts of your mouth. Soft palate, hard palate, area behind the hard bump behind the teeth, base of the teeth and lips. Point number 3. Some vyanjan exist in pairs where one is aspirated and the other one is unaspirated. Point number 4. Consonants which are pronounced by passing air through the nose are called nasal consonants. Point number 5. Consonants which are the result of combining two consonants are called conjunct consonants. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you have got the overall picture of the consonants or Hindi vyanjan and about their pronunciation. I will be teaching you how to write and how to pronounce them in detail in coming lessons. Till then, धन्यवाद, नमस्ते, फिर मिलेंगे.